Okay, so dear AB Zoe, remember that cat contest that we were all gonna enter? It's for Fidget friends too, not only LPSs.
I know.
Okay, Willow, your turn.
So please enjoy this video of us doing pretending to be cats.
Sage? I hope you all enjoy this video. Sorry that Willow did. Yeah, Willow does kind of.
But I'm purple!
Okay, let's start the show. So, don't you guys just love fish?
Yeah, I know, right?
Fish is so yummy.
Yeah.
And catnip.
Yum. My fave.
Yeah, it's like just awesome. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Or is it not?
It is. Awesome! Wanna go look for some fish?
No.
Oh, catnip's here. Yum.
Oh yeah, it makes me want to pluck my ears off.
Me too. Ah! We're humans! Oh, nosy!
Oh no, we'll never treat us like wild animals again, remember? She said if we are humans, we'll never be treated like wild animals again. Wouldn't that be awesome? We'll be able to go buy as much fish as we will want.
I know. You know what? I actually don't like fish. Yeah. I don't like seafood.
I like shrimp. Wanna know why I like shrimp?
Why?
It has catnip mixed into it sometimes.